An oil spill is the release of a liquid petroleum hydrocarbon into the environment, especially marine areas, due to human activity, and is a form of pollution. The term is usually applied to marine oil spills where oil is released into the ocean or coastal waters.
In the 21st century, there is an average of 4,000 tons being spilled per year and 3.3 oil spills every year.
Accidents involving oil tankers or offshore platforms or oil pipelines have caused many and sometimes very large oil spills. Such spills are the most obvious, visible, and dramatic causes of acute oil pollution of the marine environment.
Oil floats on water and prevents sunlight, so it would be difficult for plants and animals to survive.
Cleanup is difficult and toxins penetrate into feathers of birds, breaking down insulating capabilities. This causes the birds' feathers to be heavier, preventing them to fly. They can also die from the poison or hypothermia. Oil chokes animals to death and disallows parents to detect their children's scent. The Civil Liability Convention compensates for oil spills, which can cost up to $11.2 billion. A large amount of money is lost from the absence of tourists. Oil spills disrupt recreational activities such as swimming, surfing, boating, and fishing. Economy also fails when fisheries fail to sell seafood. It is important to always inspect for deterioration, leaks, and decay in all equipment. This should be done on an annual basis. In your home, check your pipes, supply lines, and oil tank for any signs of corrosion or overpressurization. If anything is damaged, be sure to replace it. If you have a heating system, make sure you have an oil safety valve. This automatically turns off the oil supply in the event that the line breaks. It is a smart feature for everyone to have in their homes if they have a heating system. Harmful algal blooms, also known as HABs, are a major environmental problem in all 50 states. Known as red tides, blue-green algae, or cyanobacteria, harmful algal blooms have severe impacts on human health, aquatic ecosystems, and the economy.
Harmful algal blooms deplete oxygen levels, block sunlight, create dead zones in water, raise treatment costs for drinking water, hurt industries that depend on clean water, and bacteria, such as cyanobacteria, produce toxins.
The United States spends $82 million a year on controlling harmful algal blooms. Public health costs of illness from HABs amount up to $37 million a year.
Intaking HAB-infested water can lead to rashes, stomach or liver illness, respiratory problems, and even neurological problems.
You can prevent the growth and contact of harmful algal blooms by choosing phosphate-free detergents and soaps, picking up after your pets, cleaning out your septic system regularly, and reducing use of vehicles.